Teacher Teresa coming at you with another student no-show. Yay! Paid for no work. But it was only a trial class, so I only made $4. That's okay. Tech. Talking to you about tech today. What do I need for my classroom to be successful? I always recommend the Logitech H800 headphones. They are fantastic. Actually, we own 3 sets because I bought one for my classroom. My husband already had one for his gaming computer that he's had for 5 years. We've had no issues with those headsets. The one that I bought for my classroom, the dongle didn't work, but I have Bluetooth on my PC, so I didn't need it. So it didn't matter to me, but I did tell Logitech anyway, and they sent me a set for free. So now we have 3 perfectly wonderful headsets, and we love them. The 3rd set we usually use for the television. And if one of ours ever breaks, I guess we have that one as we could steal. But the kids like to use it for TV, so that way they aren't bugging us if we're over doing something else. So I like the Logitech H800 headset. I use the Logitech 320 webcam. It's an external webcam. I do not use my internal webcam for my computer. I like to be able to take my camera off of my computer and point it around at things around the classroom, and I don't use Manicam for Google Slides, so I just take my camera and shine it back at my computer. I have my screen split, so the classroom's on one side and the Google Slides are on the other. I also have an inverter that I can use in case the power goes out, so my car can become my classroom and my computer can be powered by my car. As well as my lights. It can power my lights too. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, my UPC, I have an uninterrupted power supply so that if the power's out for just a short period of time, the UPC can pick up. I use the inverter in case of big emergencies. And my lights. I got this $40 light kit from Amazon. There are 3 lights on each side of my classroom and one in the middle. And that's all I needed. Everything else I already had. I had a computer already, and my computer came with a mouse and it's touchscreen, so I didn't need anything else for the classroom. That's all. Bye.